Hey YouTubers and DIYers, just wanted to follow up after 7 years of having a solar panel setup installation that I did 7 years ago. Like I did it myself, it was a DIY. So it's been really great, and I just wanted to get into the numbers, so here it goes. Okay, I just wanted to give you an idea of the numbers after about 7 years of having my solar panels in. So you can see I'm in the Sunny portal, which has now been actually deprecated for Sunny Boy and SMA products. They use this new Sunny portal powered by NXOS. Anyway, so they've migrated my account over there, but I still have access to the old thing. So basically after 7 years, you can see here all my generation for those 7 years, and I'm making about 8 to 11 megawatt hours per year. So that's, you know, 1,000 kilowatt hours is a megawatt hour. So yeah, so I've got that. And then if you look at that in aggregate, it's basically about 80 megawatt hours that the system's produced over a 7 year period. So, you know, roughly 10 or 11 a year. And when you think of that being 11 cents a kilowatt hour that we're paying here in Utah, that basically amounts to about $9,000 that it's saved. Now, when I actually look at my bills though for the whole year, there's some overhead in there. So you're not just, usually on your bill, you're not just paying for the kilowatt hours, you're paying for like all these other fees and taxes and weird stuff in there. So basically every month, I used to pay $100 to $150 a month. So I was paying like $2,000 a year, roughly. And now it's $4 a month consistently. Every month it's $4. So basically saving a couple thousand a year over 7 years, you know, you're looking at like $14,000. And we're only like probably not even halfway into the life of having the panels. So, I mean, I'm way ahead now. Like I basically paid $8,500, but after tax incentives and everything, it was $4,000. So $4,000, I'm $14,000 ahead, or in the positive. So I'm basically 10,000 break even. I mean, I'm 10,000 ahead of the game right now, and I'm expecting over the next 15 to 20 years, it's going to do the same thing. You get a little bit of degradation on things, but at the end of the day, it's probably going to yield maybe, you know, $30,000 or $40,000 over the life of it, and it only cost me $4,000. So it's basically 10x your investment. So pretty good investment. One other chart I wanted to show that's pretty cool is like you can see the yield of the system each year, and then the expectations that I had each year. So it's pretty much stayed on track every month according to expectations, you know. You have a few years where you have different kind of weather patterns, but overall, after, you know, in these 7 years, it's been pretty consistently delivering everything I expected. So. All right, so there you have it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that gives you some insights into how things have gone for me the last few years. And good luck on your projects, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, take care.